3. Anong gusto mo? Girl o boy?
Boy.
Bakit?
I like if mom is boy and father is doggy. And daddy kami ng doggy.
Georgie. Georgie. So, anong gusto mo?
Kaya baby boy.
Boy. Girl. 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 Girl.
Boy. Girl.
Baby girl.
Girl. Lola. It's a girl. It's a girl. Sa boy po.
Sa boy.
Girl. Girl.
Girl. Boy po.
Girl.
Boy. Boy.
Team girl. 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 Babae. Babae. Sana. Girl. Ate Georgie, girl o boy?
Girl.
Girl.
Healthy baby boy.
It's a girl.
3, go. Slowly, Kuya Enzo.
Boy, boy.
Girl, 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 girl.
Boy, boy. No, no, no.
Happy yung anak ko kasi yun talaga yung gusto niya, baby boy. Saka si daddy, gusto niya ulit baby boy kasi ang ano nila, may makakalaro sila sa basketball daw. Si Mami wala. Si Mami. Si Mami is stressed. Stressed na, tatlo na kayo. Okay, so thank you everyone for coming, for your efforts and time today. Sana po naging masaya kayo sa simple party na to. It's an intimate family gathering lang talaga. Para lang ma-experience natin. And especially si Enzo, ang gender reveal party. So, may ini-aim talaga ako na, syempre I hope sana baby girl kasi okay na kami sa dalawa. Pero since yun pa rin yung pinagkaloob ni Papa Jesus, uy, ang mahalaga lang sa amin is healthy. Healthy si baby, di ba? So, kuya ka na, Enzo. Anong pakiramdam? Konti na lang lalabas si baby. Ay, 7 months pregnant na po. So, by June, talagang makikita na natin. So, So, again, thank you for coming and yun lang. Thanks for your time.